Hey everyone, I'm with Mike from Cocktails with Mike. And we're going to whip up 2 delicious cocktails today. Now my friend, what is this first cocktail that we're gonna make for everyone?
Yeah, well first of all, thanks for having me at your amazing house. And yeah, we're gonna whip up 2 painkillers, super classic. Sorry, so painkillers came from a bartender called Daphne Henderson. And it was created in this island where there was no loading dock. So all visitors had to swim across the ocean with money in their pockets into this bar to buy a drink. So they paid with soggy dollars, which was, it was a painkiller. Everybody got, it was a headache, but everybody still did it. And that's why it was called a painkiller.
So you were saying before there's 3 versions.
Yeah. So,
of the painkiller.
Yeah, exactly. So Painkiller 1, Painkiller 2, Painkiller 3, which is Painkiller 1 is 2 shots of rum, 2 is 4 shots of rum, and 3 is 6 shots of rum.
And that's if you're in a lot of pain.
Yeah, depends, it all depends on that.
So today we're doing Painkiller 1.
Yeah.
I love pain in my soul anyway, so maybe after a month we got the Painkiller 3.
Yeah, we might do a 3 after.
And there was just one more thing that you did quickly mention before. There's a certain rum we've got to use for this. So what is that rum?
So Pusser's rum actually trademarked the painkiller. So if you ever see a painkiller around, it has to be used with Pusser's rum.
Amazing.
That's if you're feeling like a rebel, you can use any other rum. But today we'll do Pusser's rum. They trademarked the painkiller, and yeah, let's give it a go.
Let's get into it.
Go.
I'm excited, man.
All right.
Yeah, let's rock it.
Let's
rock
do it.
Alright everyone, so today what are we doing? We're starting off in our shakers?
Yeah, we're just building in our shaker.
Epic. In the shaker, let's do it. Hell yeah, take me through.
I normally start with coconut cream because it's a bit gooey.
Yep.
So you want to put that in your jigger first, and then we'll wash it off with the other ingredients.
Yeah, cool, epic. See.
So we'll do 30 ml coconut cream. Oh, there we go. Oh, sorry.
You're right. The amount of times, literally, I struggle at the best times too, not to getting things in the glass.
That's the best moments, the bloopers. So we'll do 30 ml.
I just keep them in it. Like, I'm just like, whatever. So 30 mils. Yeah, this stuff is great too. See, when I see coconut cream, I always just get like the tin stuff. This is like actually
this is all natural
made
coconut cream
for cocktails.
Yeah, delicious. Smells delicious. You see what I mean? You still have a lot of coconut cream in there.
Yeah.
But we'll wash it off with the rest.
Yeah, hell yeah. Okay. Oh yeah. As you're pouring, okay, in your jigger. Yeah. Epic.
Next thing we'll do is orange juice, freshly squeezed.
Yep.
Thank you, Josh. We'll do 30 ml of this.
I can squeeze fruit. It's like when I first started off, I had like a muddling stick.
Oh yeah.
I was like sticking it inside.
Muddle orange wheels.
And like just juicing them, like it was horrible. So thanks everyone for watching that. I know.
We're more advanced with the little.
So 30 mils.
Yeah, 30 mils.
Epic. Hell yeah, let's pop that in there.
Sweet. Great. All right. Now we're gonna follow by pineapple juice.
Yep.
That is 90 ml. So quite tropical, this one. So 90 ml. Yeah.
So I gotta do 3 weeks. Hell yeah.
And then, cool, 90 ml of pineapple juice.
Epic, thank you. I'm surprised that you did that so well, hey?
Yeah, I actually surprised myself as well.
Great.
Sweet. So you have pineapple juice, orange juice, coconut cream. How tropical does it get? And now the final ingredients, Pusser's rum.
Hell yeah.
We'll do just 60 ml.
Because 2 shots.
We don't have that much of a
Painkiller
headache.
1,
Yeah.
2 shots.
Two
Hell
shots.
yeah. It's a good day. It's Sunday. Sunday we're filming today.
Yeah.
Might be a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Doesn't matter. Sunday's a good day though.
Exactly. I love Sundays. Sunday fun day.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
Tropical Sunday.
I don't like Mondays.
Monday suck.
I just have that song in my head.
I might have put too much rum in mine, but we're just...
We'll vibe it out, we'll write it out. Okay, cool. So 2 of those straight in.
Yeah, straight in, and
To the side.
that is it.
And shaking this.
Yeah, we just we can add a little bit of crushed ice.
Yep.
Shake it, just a light shake, because you're gonna fill it with crushed ice anyway.
Do you reckon just like a little, just a scoop or so?
Yeah, just a scoop.
Just to cool it down. Do you want me to
scoop
pop
me.
it into yours as well? No worries.
Nice.
A bit more?
Tiny bit more.
Yeah.
Cool. So now let's whip a nice shake on this.
So I've been admiring Mike's cocktails online on his Instagram page, cocktails_with_Mike. Got to check him out. Like, you have an amazing, like the way you make all these like tiki kind of style cocktails, like all these, they're just so fun.
Thank you.
I'm holding this up. Let's get shaking.
I'm all about the Polynesian vibes, and like, you know, it gets cold in the wintertime. We want like warm tropical drinks.
Yep.
So
I feel you.
I keep it tiki. All right, that's pretty much good.
Yeah,
So
they're just
we'll-
fun drinks, aren't they?
They are. So now we just literally just pour it
Pour
in
it
there.
in? Done. Hell yeah. Ooh, look at
And
the colour
let's-
of that.
Yeah, that's exactly what we want. Yeah. And then...
Pro. This is what you're teaching me. See, like, I would rather this drink over this one.
No, it looks, I mean, okay, a little bubbly, but that's all right. All right, and then we just load crushed ice in there.
Crushed ice? Yep, epic. I'll let you do this one because, yeah,
All right.
I already failed that.
Yeah, literally just fill it up. We had a home bar, so we're using a spoon.
Yeah, like we make do around here, man. Like I want people to, you know, learn things by watching all of this, but at the same time, like I want them also to realize like you don't need
No, you don't
every
need.
single thing, like all the little things that they have at bars and stuff. Like
You don't need to spend your money on that.
you need to get the ice in the glass. That's the objective, eh?
Yeah.
On most days, it's usually just my hands because I'm the one drinking it. So
Exactly.
hell yeah.
So yeah, we can get a little messy.
Yeah, of course, 100%. Yeah, there's only my dogs to worry about.
Cool. So. That, my friend, is
It smells so good.
that is the perfect
Just gotta
painkiller.
get into it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Alrighty, let me try. Just a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna grab my
just-
fingers off.
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
That's it. And then some nice bamboo straws.
Wow, so painkiller #1, thanks to Cocktails with Mike, my man.
Hell yeah.
What's the next thing that we do after this? We cheers?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers to you.
And thank
cheers
you.
to me. Cheers to all you guys. Hey, my pleasure. Thanks,
Painkillers.
guys. Pleasure. All right, I'm getting into it. Lovely.
Yeah.
That's really nice,
Yeah.
man. And that
It's super smooth.
not bitter or anything either. Like
No,
crazy.
yeah, refreshing. No lime, no citrus. Well, we have orange,
Yeah.
but yeah, super smooth.
Just the coconut in it as well,
Coconut.
though, just adds that little flavor. Like I always find that coconut has that kind of like when I've made it with the
Yeah.
cream stuff, it kind of has a kind of flavor to it.
Yeah,
This doesn't
yeah.
have that, so
super fresh, and the nutmeg really brings the spices
Yeah.
when you're drinking
yeah,
it.
it smells so good.
Like the minute you have it on your nose, you smell orange.
Oh yeah, delicious.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Pretty good.
My man.
Well,
Cheers.
thank you. I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Pleasure.